Hey guys, welcome to another edition of Dave's Diner. Tonight we're going to do something a little different, a little off the beaten path. We're going to do something called a souffle. That's a scary word, isn't it? A lot of people cringe at that, but I'm going to show you how easy it can be. There's just a few little simple ingredients and a simple task to do, so stick around, grab a front row seat, and I'll show you how to do it. Thanks again for joining me at Dave's Diner. Okay, what we have here, folks, is all the ingredients to make your souffle. Most importantly, you want to have a dish like this, a souffle dish. Wipe the inside of it with some butter and then line it with some breadcrumbs. That way it gives the souffle something to rise up on and climb the sides of the souffle dish. In the past, people have used flour, but I found that some of your upper class restaurants use breadcrumbs. Again, and then we have some cream. We have some spinach, because this is a spinach and cheese souffle. We have the cheese. And to make our roux, we're going to have butter and flour, equal parts. You're not going to use this whole cube, maybe about this much of it, and to make a roux. And the cream goes in there. And then you have your eggs separated. You're going to use the yolk. And then the whites are going to be beaten into soft peaks and then folded into this whole mixture. So stay tuned and we'll show you what that looks like. Okay, this is the butter and flour mixture that I was telling you guys about, which is called a roux. And this is about the consistency that you want to have. And you want to add your cream. Let that warm up. And then as soon as that warms back up again, you can see how it's starting to thicken back up. And this is the kind of sauce that you want to end up with, just like this. Then at this point, you want to add your cheese. Now, I put a bunch of cheddar and some feta cheese in here because I thought the feta would be a nice touch to have with the spinach. And we're going to add all that in there. Just like that. We're going to turn our heat down and we're going to mix that together just like this. Looks kind of clumpy, but it'll melt in. And at this point you can go ahead and turn your heat off. Then you can add your spinach in there. Stir that around. And then you're going to add your egg yolk to this mixture. And this is going to be the base for your souffle. Go ahead and add your egg yolk. Whip that around. Just like that. Heck, that looks good enough to eat already, doesn't it? And that's what it should look like. It's just that simple. Now the next step is going to be our egg whites. And we're going to whip those up and we'll fold it into this mixture. And we'll add it to our baking dish and put it in the oven. Okay, that's how we want our egg whites to look when they're all whipped up. Okay, this is where we fold in our egg whites with the cheese mixture. And this is kind of a critical part in the cooking, where you want to just take your ingredients and just fold them over like this. You don't want to get in there and beat this stuff up by any means, but you want to carefully mix it just like this. Get all that good cheesy flavor all mixed in to these egg whites. Add a little more of the mixture and a little bit more of the egg white. We'll just use our hands here. How's that? And then fold it. Just like this. A little more of the egg white. This is French cooking at its best right here, folks. You're gonna really like the way this comes out. Honest to goodness. I think that's good. So now what we're gonna do is go ahead and pour it into our baking dish. Just like that. And this is going to go into a 375 degree oven for about 25 minutes, maybe a half hour or so. Okay, let's come out of the oven. This is what it looks like. Let's go around here and take out a nice big piece of it. Scoop it up just like that. This is a super neat light dish that is very, very easy to make. Enjoy. Well, now see how easy that was? Now you can do souffle in your own home kitchen and dazzle all your family and friends, and just how easy it is. So try it. Let me know how it goes, and join me again at Dave's Diner. Thanks again. Bye-bye. We'll see you next time.